Bastish B here for 64K and welcome to my latest how-to video.
Welcome to 64K, hosted by Bastish B.
And welcome back. So today we're going to have a look at the latest firmware update for the C64 Maxi. This update is also compatible with the C64 Mini and the VIC-20. And I'll leave a link in the description to the download for the latest firmware update. And just like my previous how-to, I'm going to focus on one important feature and show you how that works. We'll also have a brief look at some of the new games added to the carousel. So once you've downloaded the latest firmware update, it's 1.5.1, that one there. Once you've downloaded it and put it on your USB drive and put it into the Maxi, updated it as per usual. I've shown this in every single video how-to one so far on the C64 Maxi and Mini, so if you're still having an issue with that or don't know how to do it, please just check that out. So the biggest new update here, as far as I'm concerned, is the ability to swap joystick ports on the fly. Now if you're not sure what I'm talking about, it's, you know, when you download a game, maybe say Ghostbusters, that's a port 1 game. If you download that and try and load it up in your Maxi, you're gonna start the game and then you're gonna realize you can't control it because it's a port 1 game. Now what you had to do in the past is take out your memory card, go to your computer, put it in, rename the whole file, bring it back, put it in, reload the game. It's a real cumbersome process, and on Vice and other emulators you usually just do a button press and it's done, but on here it's always been an issue. Yeah, it's been a really long time coming, but I'm glad they finally got around to doing it. I mean, it's been a long wait, but here it is. So we're gonna go ahead and load up Ghostbusters because that's a port 1 game. And then I'll show you how to change ports on the fly using the default controller. So here's Ghostbusters, press F1 to start. I'll just go through the intro here and then we'll see what the controller issue is going to be. Okay, so this is the part where you equip out your car. As you can see, nothing works. So what you do is you hold down the button all to the right with the 3 lines, and then you can either press this button or this one. Either one of these apply to port 1 and port 2. So let's go like this, port 1, and now you see it moves. So that's how you do it. It's so simple. If you hold it down again, this will be port 1, and the second button over here to the left would be port 2. That's how simply you change it. Alright, so now let's jump on over and check out some of the new games. Okay, so first up is the best game. This is Hessian. This is by Lasse Orni. He's done some brilliant C64 games in the last couple of years, and this is by Cytronic Software. This is an awesome action adventure game. This is highly recommended. I'll probably do a video of this in the future. It's available here on everything, the Mini, the Maxi, and the VIC-20. Next is Pet Snakes. This is another one that's available for everything. It's basically just a rip-off of the old game Snake. It's not very good. Next is City Crusher Arcade. This is available only on the Maxi and the VIC-20. This is like a variation on one of those old arcade games again. You gotta blast the building so you can land your flying saucer. It's basically Space Invaders in reverse. And finally we got Minesweep. If you owned a PC in the 90s and you know, you got that Minesweep game on Windows, that's it. This is basically available for the Maxi and the VIC-20 only as well. It's Minesweep, I don't know what else to say. Place your flag, see if you can blow the guy up. You can think of it as Battleship, but with the worst graphics ever. And that's it. So I currently don't have a Mini setup, obviously. I got the Maxi, it's taken its place a long time ago. A lot of these updates are all available for the Mini as well. They got a listing of all extra stuff. The Mini also gets disc swapping this time, which is a major thing for the Mini, so do check that out. And that's it for me, Bastish B at 64K. Thank you for joining me. If you can like and subscribe, that'll be greatly appreciated. I'll see you next time. Cheers.